back to our YouTube channel everyone. I am Vaishak Deer, one of the placement coordinators from Department of ECE. Today I will be the host of another amazing session of Journey Through Placement. Today we have with us Rasha Kiran, one of the students from EEE department who is placed in ThoughtWorks. Welcome Rasha Kiran.
Thank you.
And firstly congratulations on being placed in ThoughtWorks. So please introduce yourself to me.
Hello, I'm Harsha Kiran. I'm from EEE branch. I'm from Tumkur. I'm placed in ThoughtWorks.
So can you give a little insight about what ThoughtWorks is, what they do?
ThoughtWorks is a global consultancy company which integrates strategy, design, and software engineering for giving solutions for complex problems of business clients.
So what was your preparation strategy like for any IT companies or even core companies?
So I was not preparing for placements because I never thought I would get placed. But at some point I thought let me give it a try. So I referred Naresh Technologies to study DSA, and I knew Python because I studied in Udemy when I was in lockdown, and also I knew some of the web development languages like CSS and HTML. So it helped me, and for aptitude I learned it from IndiaBix. That's it.
Like you said, learned web development, right? From where did you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript or something?
It's a YouTube channel called Learn Code Academy.
Yeah.
It is very good actually.
So like what were the processes in ThoughtWorks? Like how many rounds did you face?
There were 3 rounds. One was the coding test and code pairing round, and the other one was technical round.
So can you please elaborate on what was each one? What did you do?
Yeah, in the coding test there were only 3 questions which were very simple, basic. And in the code pairing round I had to sit for 2 hours coding on only one big problem which is completely based on OOPS. There will be 2 mentors who will be guiding me, and they usually switch between many students for every 20 minutes. Whenever they come, I used to say my approach, how I am going through it, how I am approaching the problem, and if there are any changes to be done, they used to say me. So it was easy, but I did it for 2 hours, but there were many compilation errors. But I was confident that I will get through it and pass it to the next round. So in the next round, they actually check my critical thinking. They asked questions on my projects. What if the situation was like that or something different? So they basically check my critical thinking, how I find solutions for non-expecting situations.
So like being from a electrical department, learning DSA operating system or most of the core computer science subjects is FT tasks. How did you manage studying both electrical as well as computer science subjects?
So I was not interested in electrical core subjects. So in the spare time I used to watch some videos in YouTube learning web development or Python. Python I learned it from Udemy, and for data structures I learned it from Naresh Technologies just a week before attending the ThoughtWorks. So I completed it in 1 week. So that's all I prepared.
Like was this your first company? Like ThoughtWorks was your first company or did you attend any interviews before?
I attended 3 interviews. One was from Siemens, one is from Texas Instruments, and the other one was from TCS. So in TCS I got shortlisted for TCS Digital, but back then I never knew data structures, so I got selected for TCS Ninja role. So then again for Siemens I got shortlisted, but I never prepared for it. I simply went and sat for the interview. I said everything I don't know. I don't know anything. So I was not expecting to get placed in that also. For Texas it is completely electrical core company, so I was not expecting that too. For ThoughtWorks I was like, let me give it a proper shot. So I prepared for it since a week. So I got into it.
Like did they ask any core questions in your interview with ThoughtWorks?
Yeah, they asked about my electrical based projects. Not exactly very deeper like completely core, questions, but they asked me what if the situation was like that, what would be your solution, how will you approach that, like that they asked.
So you also had HR and managerial role, right?
No, I didn't have HR and managerial role.
So it was technical, then direct selection, or like,
Yeah, after code pairing I had technical interview round.
so there were no managerial HR.
No.
So like if any of the juniors want to get into what would you suggest them?
I would suggest to be confident and stick on what they say, stick on to what they say properly, and learn the data structures, OOPS. For them, OOPS is the very important thing. So the whole code pairing round is based on OOPS. So I suggest them to learn OOPS and to be confident on what they say. That's it.
Thank you, Varsha Kiran, for spending your time with us. I think the juniors can get great insights from this video. Thank you.